Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now it seems as if the Prime Minister and the Minister of Tourism are in for a rude awakening as hotel workers have shut down one of the biggest hotels on the Jamaican island. And keep in mind, what the Prime Minister says that tourism is the backbone of the Jamaican economy. Now what they don't realize is hotel workers are the backbone of the hotel industry. Now I'm going to hear what go on and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Every department out here. You have maintenance, you have dining room, public care, water sports, sanitation. Everybody outside. Riot and nigger. Riot and staff is striking today. They are tired of the mistreatment, lack of money, no food, no water, no juice. It's like a prison there, no freedom. Yeah, man. And too much corruption too. Up ahead too, corrupt. Yeah man, HR and shuffle up because a bit of nonsense are going up there.
The people must say this is what they matter about. But the state boasting about an industry where them really not have the input or no say so over. Differently from regulations where them can put in place. Because keep in mind, these hotels are owned by private entities. And what the government and these entities are not keeping in mind is that without hotel workers, there is no hotel industry. You're the person on the video I point out? The people from the different departments. And all of them they out there. From housekeeping to the food part. You name it. Nobody probably not there at the front desk. Nobody not there at the front desk. Wagwan. Them have to go address this. Worse, if they're actually people there. Imagine how much of these rooms are there with occupants. Where them all get food from, or cook food with them. Them people are paying them much thousands of US dollars to come stay. Them have to go address this immediately too. And the state have to step in. Talk to me. Tell me what you think. Of course, until other stories making headlines today. Now, the farmer get found out. Him say him receive some assistance. And I'm thankful for what going on. You know what I mean? Him say me even get reach out from Vybz Kartel. Yeah, Vybz Kartel reach out to him. I couldn't hear from him. Make him talk to one of himself and then we'll continue the Reason Nation. Look and listen.
Yeah man, bless up. Me have to give thanks to life. You see me I say? First of all, me have to big up God. You see me I say? I'm forever grateful. I'm not gonna be ungrateful. I did empty now, I played full. You see me I say, yeah man, I do a video the other day. I play to Vybz Kartel if him can make me get a bag of fertilizer and a spray pan. You see me I say? Yeah man, and the dreams come true, you see it? Yeah man, me I tell you say, yo, me never did expect this much support, I swear. But me respect everybody will reach out to me. You see me I say, me have to big up We Records production. You see me I say, yeah man, me have to give them whole heap of blessings. You see me I say, because them reach out to me and thing and make it happen. You see me I say, yeah man, me have to give shout out to Cashoman. Remember the long time artist Cashoman? Yeah man, me have to bless up Tr0uble British. You see me I say, Jigga. Yeah man, name a few, you see me I say. You know, so me have to big up Vybz Kartel to said way. Only people ask why me reach out to Vybz Kartel. You see me I say another, you see? Vybz Kartel was my idol. Is my idol, you see me I say, from way back when. Because a music me used to do first, you know, before me even start think about farming. But me I try all these years and me can't get no bus in it. So me say, you know what? A farming me I go do, you see it? And I just turn to farming. Said speed, you see me I say. Him and Vybz Kartel was my idol. Even back in our school days. Yeah, this is a thing where I not really say it much, but I'm going to say it now. In our school days, I get locked up in a jail for 1 month. Because, you know, in a them time, the Gaza and Gully War did go on and thing. And Vybz Kartel was my artist and thing, as I say always. And I never really like when time people say nothing bad. I want you did catch up in one argument and he must say something bad about Vybz Kartel. I say, Movado no better than Movado better than Kartel. And I have a machete and I just use it and inflict several wounds on him, and I end up get locked up for 1 month in a jail. You see it? Yeah man, and I end up meet up with Vybz Kartel in a 2009. As I say, yeah man. And me used to do first, you know. See how my songbook them here? My songbook them here, I do a butcher daytime and I'm not busy.
Now I feel like the youth story is a motivational story for the youth. How? Yeah, you can find yourself in certain situations based on your choices, your actions. But you can own up to them, acknowledge where you go wrong, and see how you can better yourself. How you can go forward. No, that's why I can give up on a music career. You know what I mean? I'm going to tell them to do that. The things have to go on, do the farming, money and forwarding, invest it in your career. Because from music is your passion, music is your passion. Farming can also be a passion. You need to have one passion. So, while you do that, continue to do the music. You know what I mean? Continue to be an example for youths in your surroundings. And other people will see up on the media and hear your story and hear how you have found your way, or at least found your way to a route in your journey, the career where you go in your next stage in your life. Because not everybody find them way, but at least them find a direction, them find a compass. Yeah, them have a compass. So now them can chart a course and know side. That's what them want to achieve. And this is how them plan to achieve it. Because most youth don't have that. Most youth in Jamaica right now just want rich. Yeah, they might want to be an artist and rich. They want to be a this or they want to be a that and rich. But they don't have no clear path to it. They feel like I just be an artist and people can just hear you and say, oh, you're the best artist I've ever heard and just give millions of dollars. No. Take hard work. Take strategic planning. You have to chart a course. Have a plan. Have an aim. Some form of ambition. You know what people enter the music industry and the music industry try them up and spit them out. Meaning say you're them forward in there and when you see them today, nothing to show. I want to talk about the one them get rich and spend off their money. We are talking about some aspiring artists we aspire for tens of years. Still aspire. I don't know. So I don't know what you think. But with a sense of direction, with a aim, the ambition and the passion, yeah, you can go in the industry and make millions of dollars. You have seen other artists do it. So, as I said, the youth them need for those. See things for how it is. Try them best for. Do some research on what they want to do. You know what I mean? And look on the examples of people where I show them good examples. You have only a negative example there. You know what I mean? You have all people that have to do this and do that. You have all people where talk with them now live. We also have only part of people where when they can see. This is a brother where we don't know him and me that we see him pan. We are here where I say. You know what I mean? And it, based on that alone, because we not judge the character. All we are saying is based on what I say, him sound like an individual way. Him do what him do. Learn. And this is what I do now. And him seem progressive. You know what I mean? So big up yourself, youth. You know a thing go. And another thing too, we need more farmers. We don't think nobody talk about this enough. We need more youth for go in a farming. The reason why producer get so expensive all across the world is because we have less farmers all across the world. And I kind of, we have to send the people all across the world. We need more farmers. On the Jamaican island, whole heap of land in the fertile soil. I don't see why Jamaica now see agriculture as the next multi-billion-dollar industry. And the government fail the people, I mean, both sides. You will not take off on the specific sides. Both sides fail the people where agriculture is concerned. Agriculture should be a it's like how them talk about tourism. As so should I talk about agriculture. But until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love and prosper, if you want to stay tuned. Now if you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, to tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Rather than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned.